हेलो इंडिया, तैयार हो जाइए भारत के सबसे पहले डबल इंजन सी प्लेन के लिए। एक प्लेन जोड़ेगा दो बड़े सपनों को जो नरेंद्र मोदी ने भारत के लिए देखे थे। भारत का पहला रिवर फ्रंट और वर्ल्ड्स टॉलेस्ट स्टैच्यू ऑफ यूनिटी। आप पानी से ही करेंगे टेक ऑफ और पानी में ही करेंगे लैंड। इस 19 सीटर प्लेन की प्रतिदिन होंगी 4 फ्लाइट्स, जिससे 5 घंटे का सफर आप करेंगे सिर्फ 45 मिनट में पार। इंटरनेशनल टूरिस्ट डेस्टिनेशन अब है तैयार। इंडिया का सबसे पहला डबल इंजन सी प्लेन, जिसे देश को समर्पित करेंगे प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी 31 अक्टूबर यानी सरदार पटेल के जन्म दिवस पर। आओ देखें विश्व के सबसे ऊंचे स्टैच्यू को आसमान की ऊंचाई से। आओ भरे एकता की उड़ान।
To see the fauna of the world, to see the forest so dense, to get enriching experience. The fastest ever made jungle safari is awaiting you at Statue of Unity, the world's tallest statue. Explore the world of animals, or say, animals of the world. Brought from reputed zoos of Australia, Africa and South America. Meet them at the clusters arranged continent-wise. Get amazed at sights of wild big cats, wonderful wildlife of giraffe, ostrich and emu. Observe grace of their movements and rise. Meditative trance of the sky, full of surprises and thrills. Raw emotions for you to capture. Get the best of sight and sound of nature. Walk through the largest geodesic dome aviary in the world, the Indian Aviary, a home to indigenous birds. Wonder at the unique beauty of exotic birds in exotic aviary. Macaw flocked from all across the world, a total delight for bird lovers and watchers. Go to scenic green hills to add to your safari expedition, where you meet the herbivores like black bucks, white bucks, spotted deer, antelopes, chinkaras, sambar or blue bulls. A privilege to meet nature's inhabitants in the habitat so natural to them. Becomes a pleasure indeed. Revel in the royalty of nature's gem. The Jungle Safari is awaiting you at Statue of Unity, the world's. To witness the beauty of cactus, go to Cactus Garden. Mesmerize your senses with the charm of blooming flowers standing out amidst the thorns. This experience is awaiting you at Statue of Unity. This is one of its kind botanical garden, nurturing a variety of cacti and succulent plants, making you aware of the desert ecosystem and how these plants thrive so beautiful in it. Witness the world of cacti. Get surprised with several species of it. Explore one of the nature's creations, symbolizing thorns as a birth of wisdom. This garden is home to over 450 national and international species, brought here from across 17 countries in the world. About 250,000 flowering plants, 190,000 cactus and 160,000 succulents, nurtured inside 836 square meters dome in 25 acres of area. The Cactus Garden is awaiting you at Statue of Unity. Feel the flourishing flora. Revel on the ravishing rock landscapes. Celebrate the charisma of cacti-based herbal medicines. As the Cactus Garden is awaiting you at Statue of Unity, the world's tallest. Nature is the God's gift to humankind. So are the children. They are loved, cared and nourished for a future imagined so beautiful. To awaken their love for nutrition, Children Nutrition Park is awaiting you at the Statue of Unity. However, Nutrition Park is one of its kind that your child would love to visit. Children Nutrition Park at Statue of Unity engages children to stay away from obesity and informs kids about healthy eating habits, all through interesting medium of technology and entertainment. Use of vegetables to pure white milk. Kids are made to tour the world so healthy, enthralling and encouraging them to live wealthy. Remember, health is the only wealth. To enlighten the kids, a train ride is conducted from Ekta Junction, which halts at various stations. At first station, Phal Shak Gruham, they interact with a farmer's hologram. At second station, Payo Nagari, they meet a boy so crazy for milk. On way to the third station, enjoyable 50 meters tunnel show. Excite them with stories supported by dioramas and sound effects. When the train reaches the station, Poshanpuram welcomes them with digital games so exciting to spice the experience right. Then they arrive at Swasth Bharatam before entering the Bhool Bhulaiya. Get happy and healthy experience. Give an enriching tour to your kids, as Children Nutrition Park is awaiting you at Statue of Unity.